Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going with a bit of a different setup. I know it's not like normal quality, but I want to give this a try because this setup takes less time and it's easier to pump out videos. It means I can pump out more videos for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to become a freelance videographer and photographer in 2022 from a freelance video photographer, an experienced veteran like me. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content and helping you become a better videographer and video editor. So if you like what we see here, subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other videos. So, you might know something a little bit different. This time we're going a bit of a different setup. I've got my phone right here and you know my eyes are really blue and I look like an alien. But this video is a little bit different, you know, it's not like the normal quality, but the other setup took me forever to set up. But this is a quick little I can do, and that means I can produce more videos for you guys. And I hope you like the little stars in the background and stuff like that. Anyway, enough wasting time. Number one, how to become a freelance videographer and video editor. Know where to get your traffic from. How are you going to make money, right? How are you going to become a freelancer if you don't know where to get your clients from? My ear's going crazy, like you probably will have when you ain't getting clients. So the way you can get clients is three methods: cold DM or like cold DM, cold like phone call, cold email, cold DM, all that type of stuff. Number two is get in front of your clients, whether that be posting on Instagram or something like that. And number three, apply through like a job site or something. You might know what Fiverr is, or maybe Upwork. So we're going to go through these. So number one, by setting up your Instagram and producing weekly content, on a daily basis. You're pumping out content, boom, 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 boom. And what that's going to do, the Instagram's going to like what you're doing. You're pumping out content, and it's going to put you in front of the right people. As long as you've got your hashtags correct, because if you don't have your hashtags on point, the algorithm has no idea to who to put your content in front of. So you need to have hashtag freelance videographer, hashtag freelance video editor, whatever you're trying to do. And then that's going to tell the algorithm where to put your content, because otherwise it's going to promote to like some random Brazilian guy. Like you don't want to work with a random Brazilian unless you're doing freelance video editing, but you probably want to get work close to you. So put content out, daily, weekly, even if it's monthly. Just keep putting out content. And a little bit of a shameless plug: if you want to know what I'm doing, copy me. Follow my Instagram right there. I'll even put like a little screenshot or something on right here of my Instagram. So yeah, once you've got your Instagram up and you're promoting your content's getting in front of the right people, you can then use that to DM people. And when you DM someone like a club or a venue or something like that, and they go to your Instagram, they don't want to be seeing you, partying, throwing up. They don't want to see that. They want to see professional work, you taking your work very seriously. And the way you do that is by DMing them with your work Instagram. So that's just the first way, DM them on Instagram. Number two, well, I guess I already said number two, didn't I? Number two is put out content to get in front of the right people. I've already been over that. Push out content and, make content, publish content on the stuff you want to be hired for. If you're doing wedding videography and you want to get hired for nightlife, nightclubs, they're not going to hire the wedding guy, they're going to hire the nightlife guy. Your portfolio needs to reflect what you want to do. Because if you're training to be a freelance videographer for corporate, and then they see that you're doing nightlife, then it's not really the same thing, if you know what I mean? Like there's different sectors, so focus on what you want to do and then dominate that. For me, I do live events, so I'm a live event specialist. I go in, whether it's photography videos, and I capture the moment. I capture the person throwing their hands up like that. Oh, I put a little clip on here, one of my favourite ones from a recent piece of work I did in London. This woman's gone crazy, trying to show the DJ, and the autofocus focuses on the correct time. It's beautiful. She's like, and it's perfect. So understand your niche, push content, and maybe promote, maybe run some ads or something, like push your content out there with paid promotion. But get in front of the right people on Instagram. It's always about Instagram, bro. I don't know what it is, but everything's done on Instagram nowadays. But you can set up like a Facebook page or something like that, but I haven't really had that much success through it with it, so I don't really use it that much. So, and your website as well. Your website's another thing as well. Put content on your website. Some of you are out here trying to use your Instagram as your professional page. No, right? You need your website. Your website is going to show. You know, they want to hire you instead of Hillbilly Joe down the road that's using their Instagram as a portfolio. You need a website with a custom domain. It's going to show the client that you actually give a shit and you actually, you know, take this seriously. Otherwise, it's just going to not give as good of an impression, if you know what I mean. So, put on your website, put on your Instagram, but promote through your Instagram, but try to drive traffic from your Instagram to your website. So, number 3, getting in front of them / kind of like applying like a job site or something like that. Now, the way I do this is I go on Upwork.com. Upwork.com is the biggest freelance site for freelancers, right behind Fiverr. Fiverr is kind of, I've got a love and hate relationship with Fiverr. I've been banned like 5 times on Fiverr. Not the best, but you know, Fiverr is what it is. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Upwork, you're gonna create an account, you're gonna make a custom message. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to find work or find work in UK or something like that, and you're gonna put in a keyword. Like Manchester videographer, London videographer, and that's going to come up with all of the job listings. It's basically a work site. You know, you can put in a custom, like, you know, I'm looking for a videographer based in Manchester or based in London. Apply, or you know, DM, or not DM. Apply to this, you know, this post, this bullet board thing, if you want the job. And then what you're going to do, you're gonna hit submit proposal. And then it's going to come with a cover letter. Now what you're going to do, you're going to write a custom cover letter. I'll go over this in another video, the perfect custom cover letter. That's gotten me quite a lot of work through Upwork. But you're going to write your little cover letter, and then you're going to send that off to them, and then if they like what you're doing, they're going to, you know, hire you. So Upwork is another good way to get in front of your clients. I guess you could use Fiverr. Fiverr for me, not the best, but if you're a freelance video editor, you know, you're working with people around the world, Fiverr is probably one of the better ones for me anyway, because you can create your own page. It teaches you all about sales and stuff like that. So anyway guys, that's just been a quick little video. Let me know what you think about the setup. The hair's crazy right now. I've just gotten in. It's nearly 8 o'clock at night. You know, I've had to bang out this video. So if you like what we see here, subscribe to the channel and make sure you check out some other videos, pure content. And if you want to donate, link in the description. Go buy me coffee. The amount you donate, it's up to you. Help the production of future content. So without further ado, I'll see you on the next video.